Welcome to Stephen Cody's videos. Today, I have a cool video to show you guys. It's how to install 4.1 on your iDevices, newer generations. This is before the release date of next week, and you don't need a UDID. And the reason, this is a horrible camera. I'm recording on my old iPhone 2G with sidecorder because I'm updating this iPhone 4, and it's really bad. But let's see here. I'll get to general about, show you that we are indeed on 4.2. Let's see here. 4.0.2. Alright. I know you really can't see that, but I'm going to do my best. Alright, so first you need the firmware, which I have right here. It's for iPhone 4. What you do, I'm not going to link it in the description. All you do is you look up like iPhone whatever 4.1 GM, which is the release, and you'll find a website called iModZone. That's what it looks like, and it has every firmware, GM, right there. Okay, so once you download that, you're gonna need I'm gonna get torrent downloader to do that. So once you have it, all you're gonna do really is go into iTunes. Have mine there, and you're gonna click Shift, hold Shift down, and click Restore. You bring this up. I'm just gonna find my Restore folder, which is 3.1. 4.1. Sorry. You click Open, Restore. So should do that. I already have mine backed up in sync, so you're gonna want to do that. Again, I'm sorry about the quality. I normally would be recording with my iPhone 4, but it's the one that's being restored here. Contacting the activation server. Preparing iPhone for restore. Sorry. The dog's scratching to get in. We'll let him in. Man, it's just going all over the place. many times does it have to verify iPhone restore? Verify. Restored to factory settings. It is restarting. Please leave your iPhone connected. It will appear in iTunes window after it restarts. Okay. It's doing this little thing. Alright, so we have this screen we all know and love. iPhone or iTunes should activate it. If you're on iPhone, if you're on iPod Touch, it won't even need this. And it's asking me to restore from backup, but forget about that right now. Waiting for activation. So now I think we're on 4.1. Yes, we are. We have the HDR option up here. HDR on. Saving HDR. It's pretty cool. Let's see. Both the original and HDR version. Okay. Cool. I can't really tell the difference right now, but it's got Game Center, Settings, General, About. Let's see here. We are on, I don't know if you can see that, 4.1. Thank you for watching Stephen Cody's videos. Enjoy the 4.1 software before it's officially released. And please ask any questions, comment, rate, subscribe, and we'll be seeing you next time. Thank you.